finger out, or even 2 fingers out. If you're left-handed, left 2 fingers out. Okay, pencils are down, pencils are down. Okay, get those fingers out. I want your arms straight, okay? Elbow straight, wrist straight. So what's going to be moving? What part of my body is moving? My shoulder's doing all the moving, isn't it? My shoulder joint, not my elbow. Rest your arm for a minute because I want to tell you why we're doing it like this. Inside your muscles and your joints are nerves that tell your brain where your body is. You know how the teachers teach you about the 5 senses?
Yeah.
Seeing and hearing and tasting and smelling and touching. They forget there's another one. And there's a sensation, there's information that comes from your muscles and your joints to tell your brain where it is. And I'll give you a good example. I don't want you to look at your legs, but I want you to tell everybody what position they're in. Are your feet on the ground?
Yes.
Are they flat on the ground?
No.
How are they?
One feet is on the other feet.
One is resting on the other. Are your knees together or apart?
Neither apart and the other foot is lifted.
How did he know that? He could feel it. Did he use his eyes? So he didn't see it, he didn't hear it, he didn't smell it, he didn't taste it, and I didn't see his hands touch his legs. So the sense was from the nerves and his muscles and joints that told him exactly where they are. So our muscles need to learn where we have to move to make the letter A. So if we put that arm straight out again with those fingers out and move just our shoulder, the shoulder has an awful lot of nerves in them that are going to tell your brain, this is what I got to do to make the letter A. So I want everybody to look here and follow my fingers. So you're going to start at the line. You're going to climb up the clock to number 1 on the clock. You're going to go back around and separate. When you get down to about number 6, you're going to go up to 1, down, and do your joining stroke. So why doesn't everybody stand up where they can face the board and just do that a few times, just to think about how it feels to make it. Think about how it feels. Try just to move your shoulder. Getting tired? Okay, now I have a challenge. Once you've done that a couple times, I want you to sit down. And I would like a very brave volunteer, somebody who maybe we haven't talked too much today. Let me see. How about, can I ask you to be the brave volunteer? You're not really volunteering when I say you, but will you try it for me? I want you to keep your hands where they are, and I want you to tell me with your words, how do I make an A? Do I start by going down? Do I start by going up? Do I start by traveling over and climbing to 1 on the clock? What do I do? Do I start here? No. Where do I start? I start over here. So I'm on the line. If this was a piece of paper, this would be where your line is for writing. So I'm going to start on the line. What do I do next? Do you want to tell me? Nope, sit on your hands. I don't want you to show me. I only want to hear it. Okay, what do I do?
You curve it. Then you curve it.
I'm going to climb the clock to 1 o'clock.
Then go down to 6.
Oh, do I go down? No. What do I do next? So I start at the line. I'm going to curve up, go climb the clock to 1. Then what am I going to do?
You come back.
I'm going to trace back,
And then you separate.
separate.
Then you go up to 1.
When I get to about 6, right? Then I go straight up to 1.
Then you come back. Then you make a curve. And you turn it.
There you go. Okay, it's very hard, but you know what? Some people get really good messages from the nerves in their muscles and their joints, and that helps them learn what it feels like to write the letter A. Some people learn better by hearing, so that's why it's good to have the words too. And other people learn better by seeing. That's why I've got it up on the board where you can see it, okay? Yeah, we're going to practice it in just a couple of minutes. What I want you to do right now, we're going to try something. I'm going to get you to stand up and find a partner, somebody close to you, okay? You don't need to travel around too far. Stand up and find a partner. Okay, it doesn't have to be a good friend or anything. This has to be one of your classmates. I want you to get yourself positioned so you're beside each other. Does anybody not have a partner? Okay, so the two of you can go together. Beside each other. Okay? You don't have a partner? We got one man out here. Do you want to join the group beside you? We can do 3. Okay. What I want you to do is I want one of you to put your hands in your pockets, behind your back, hold them like this. I want the other person to put their fingers up in the air, and I want the person that has their hands in their pockets or behind them or to tell them how to make the letter A. Now you want to stand beside them because otherwise everything's backwards to you. So stand. You guys want to come over here? Where you got more room? Come on over here. And you stand aside and tell them how to make it just with words. I see somebody's body going. Okay, tell her how to make it. Put your fingers out. Now, he's going to tell you. Oh, okay. And then switch around, okay? Let somebody else have a turn, being the instructor. So how did it go? Tell her how to make it. I'm going to watch. Well, you tell him that. Okay? You get your finger out, and she's going to tell you. Okay? Tell her. What number does he have to go to on the clock? Okay. You went too far, right? So come back down and separate.
Okay. Back down. Separate.
Has everybody had a chance to do it both ways?
And down. Go back down.
When you've had a chance to do it both ways, you can sit back at your table.